If your old sensor is in good condition but not working, follow Part 1. If your sensor is damaged, please refer to Part 2. Before getting started, first go to customercare.guardianprotection.com and log into your account. Select System Info on the left-hand side, and then select Test My System. Simply follow the steps provided to put your system into test mode. During this time, you will hear several beeps and tones coming from your panel. In the box, you will find two different pieces. Note the difference between the sensor and the magnet. The larger piece is the sensor, and the smaller piece is the magnet. Part 1. Replacing your sensor only. It's helpful to take a photo you can reference afterwards to confirm the new sensor is mounted correctly. The sensor is usually placed on the frame, and the magnet is usually placed on the door or window. But in some instances, this may be reversed. Follow the same placement used by your installation technician originally. Place the larger piece, the sensor, on a flat surface. Squeeze the top and bottom of the device lengthwise and remove the cover from the device. Use your thumb to remove the motherboard from the device mount and place it on a flat surface. Repeat the process above on your old sensor while it is mounted to remove the motherboard. Place the new motherboard in the previous mount. Replace the cover on your sensor. After replacing your sensor, please contact us to have your new sensor programmed into your security system. Email activate@guardianprotection.com with your name, address, and phone number.